Hi everyone, I'm Munira and today I'll be teaching you my choreography on Manwa Lage. So Manwa Lage is currently the most viewed video on my channel with over 1.4 lakh views. So I really wanted to thank all of you and to finally create a tutorial for that video. So this is my right and this is my left. I have flipped the video so that you can follow it along like a mirror. Then there are a lot of turns. So if I tell you to turn over your right shoulder will go back and you will take a clockwise turn. And if I tell you to turn over your left shoulder, then your left shoulder goes back and you take a anti-clockwise turn. Okay, so we will start the choreography. There's a bit of music. It says na 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 dun dun dun. So in the na 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 na, I was running in the video, but you can do it on the spot also. So you can just do left, right. Okay. So you can go na 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 na. After this, the hands are right, left, right, and then right goes up. Okay, and the legs will be na 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 na. You will jump, land on right, and put left back. Okay, so you will go na, you will go na 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 na, dhadhan dhadhan, and then you will take a turn over your left shoulder. Okay, half turn. So together this will be na 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 na, dhadhan dhadhan, thak, turn. So you will take a half turn, but you are starting this with your back to the camera. Okay, so you will be doing, now I've flipped it again, so right hand, left hand. So you will do na 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 na, dhadhan dhadhan, turn over left shoulder. And now we are facing the camera and we go to the next part. So in this, your hands first, your hands will go towards the right, 1, 2, then your right hand goes 1 circle, then both of your hands will do 1 and end up on your shoulder. So this goes 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the legs. So first you will move towards the right and your left leg will go out. So you will go 1, 2. Then your right leg will come back. And then this will be on the spot. So this will go together 1, 2, 3 and 4. So from the starting, once you do na 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 na, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then right away you will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, your hands will go 1, 2 towards the right, 3, 4 towards the left. And while you do this, first you will take a turn over your right shoulder. So you have finished with this. Then you will take a turn over your right shoulder and you will do 1, 2, then 3, 4. So your legs were like this. Then when you took a turn, your left is open and your hands go here. Then when you do this, your legs switch. Okay? So from here it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, your hands will go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And you will do na 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 na. Your left will go back. So after the turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now in order, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, your hands again will do 1, 2 towards the left, 3, 4 towards the right, and then they will go out. Okay? Your legs will go out, right in, right out. So you end it here. You will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is sort of the end of the music. So you're here, you will go na 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 na. So from here, your hands will go circle, 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 hold. Manwa lage. And then we take 2 turns over our right shoulder. So we will go 1, 2. Okay? You will use your hands. Manwa lage. Pause. Turn, turn. And then we start on the next step. So let's do it till here from this part. Because I'm not going to repeat the very starting again and again. Because that starts with the back to the camera. So you might get confused with the right and left. So I'll start from here every time. Okay? So let's do it till here, till Manwa lage, and turn, turn once, and then we can move on to the next part. So you will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. मनवा लागे. Turn, turn. Okay, so the music part is over and now we will be following the lyrics. So after the 2 turns, first I'll tell you the hands. Your left hand is out and your right will do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? With this, your legs, so your left will be moving 1 and your right will be following it. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So this goes turn, turn. Manwa lage, lage re, savare. So your left leg opened out. So from here, your left leg opened out and your right hand did savare. So after savare, your right hand goes circle, circle towards the left and your right leg goes back. Then she says la gere savare. So you will take a turn over your right shoulder. You will open your hands. Your left points to the camera and you will take a turn over your right shoulder. So you will go savare in, then la gere. Okay? So you finish your turn and your hands go up to your shoulder. So from here your left leg will cross and then come back. This is going to be savare, hit, lage re savare, le tera hua. So from there your hands will go right in, right out, left out, circle, out. So first you're coming in, then you're going out. And your legs are going to be right out, right back, and then turn over right shoulder. Le tera hua, jiya ka, ye gaँव रे. So when you turn, you will use your right hand. So from this manwa lage, it will be manwa lage, lage re savare, lage re savare, le tera hua, jiya ka ye gaँव रे. You're here, okay? Okay, so then she says manwa lage again and there's some music. So in that, you will circle your arms up, hold, and then you will do this simple dipping. So you will go left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, and then back. So you will go manwa lage, ho manwa. So you did another circle in your back. Now your left and your right will do the same step again. You will do left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. This time your hands will go right. So you from your elbow, right, left, then both of your hands will open. Okay? So this goes manwa lage, ho manwa lage, lage re savare. So from here, your right opens and your right hand clicks here, then other side, then other side. So 3 times. Then with your right hand and over your right shoulder, you will turn. So from here, this becomes manwa lage, ho manwa lage, lage re savare, lage re savare. So you will just take your hands and go up, le tera hua. So you will take left, right, and your hands will do towards the left, towards the right. So this will go le khela maine. From here your legs will go right, left, right, and then you will turn over your right shoulder. Okay? So and your hands will go left, right, both of them, and then you turn. So together this goes le khela maine, jiya ka jiya. Then you turn ka ye davre. Okay, so you turn and you open your hands. So after this part in my video, I'm just playing with my dupatta in slow motion because there were some problems on the day of the shooting. So I had to cut it short and I just, a lot of things went wrong. So you can do that. Like you can of course have like your own slow motion shots of just, being graceful. But I also thought that I should give you steps in case you want a full choreography. So I have made some steps for this tutorial which are not in the original video. So you can do these, or you can go with the slow motion, whichever you prefer. First your legs will go right, left, right out, right back, left out, left back, left out. Okay? So your hands will go right, left, right out, right, circle and in, then both hands in, out and out. Okay? So this comes together as मुसाफिर हूँ मैं दूर का, दीवाना हूँ मैं धूप का. So from here we will take a turn over our right shoulder and then continue with the steps in the video. So this goes मुसाफिर हूँ मैं दूर का, दीवाना हूँ मैं धूप का, मुझे ना. Then from here the steps are, legs are right out, left out, right out, left out. Okay? And your hands will go right, left, circle towards left, circle towards right. Okay? मुझे ना भाई, ना भाई. Now from here you will take 2 turns, a little over 2 turns, over your right shoulder. So you will point your left hand to the camera. You go 1, 2, then you will point it again, but you will not complete the third turn. You will go point and your left leg will open. So you will go turn, turn, point. So you will stop here. Your hand will be there, but you won't take a third turn. From here, both of your hands will go 1, 2, 3, 4, and your body weight will shift towards the left. So your right will open up. Okay? So from here you will go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then your right hand will go 1, 2, 3, 4, hit. Or as many circles as you can take. Because there is this music which sort of feels like it speeds up. You know? So you will do 1, 2, 3, 4, hit. And when we do the hit, so we will take turns. When we do the hit, we will shift. And we will end up in this position. So you will go turn, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, hit. And that's the end of the choreography. Okay, so now let's revise it from the top and we will be done with the choreography. So first we will go left, right, then we go 1, 2, 3, turn. Half turn over the left shoulder and then you are facing the camera. From here you will go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hit. From here 1, 2, 3, maneuver, shoulder, shoulder, turn, maneuver, lage, lage re, savre, hit, lage re, savre, ये तेरा हुआ जिया का जिया का जिया का ये गाँव रे, मनवा लागे हो मनवा लागे, लागे रे सावरे, लागे रे सावरे, लिखिला मैंने जिया का जिया का है दावरे. From here, मुसाफिर हूँ मैं दूर का, दीवाना हूँ मैं धूप का, मुझे ना भाई, ना भाई, ना. Turn, turn, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn, 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 hit. And that's it. We are done. Okay, so we are done with the choreography. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Since this is a recorded tutorial, there's no time limit. You can watch the tutorial as many times as you can, understand the steps. I hope you enjoy learning this. I hope you enjoy dancing to it. If you post your covers to this choreography or any of my other choreographies, remember to use the hashtag Munira Choreography so that I can find your video. So that's it everyone. Enjoy learning, enjoy dancing, and let me know what other choreographies of mine you would like to learn.